I missed you too. Sleep good? Sleep like a baby? Ugh, I'm tired. My camper is a mess right now. But I also got these cinnamon rolls. They looked really good. I had half of one last night, so I'm probably gonna eat this for breakfast. Oh, that got it nice and warm. I'm also getting pretty thirsty. Oh. And put on the Saucy hat. You need to go outside? You need to go pee-pee? Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Seth, and that's my dog Stella, and we live and travel out of that homemade DIY camper that I built a few months ago. We are currently in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, which is at the very top of Wisconsin. It's not far from Minnesota. So I don't know if I'm gonna leave today and head to Minneapolis, or if I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to do that. I'm not too sure yet. I think we're probably gonna go somewhere, probably do something, maybe drive around. And yeah, that's kind of the plan for today. So as you guys know, I pretty much took my truck to the mechanic shop a month ago before I went on that cruise. I had a few things done to it. What had happened was when I got it back, it started idling really bad. When I would turn it on, the car would like shake and it would like vibrate. I don't know if I have like a really bad misfire or what's going on. Now my brakes are giving me problems and my engine is idling rough. So I'm not sure. I know this has been like the biggest problem that we've been facing on and off for the last few months is this truck. It's gonna have issues, and I'm not saying it's not gonna have issues, but at this point, do I wanna keep pouring money into it if I know it's gonna just, you know, keep giving me problems and stuff? Like if it's not gonna be a reliable truck, I think it would be better to just put that money into something newer, right? Something more reliable instead of pouring gasoline on an open flame. Like, I can't just keep spending money on this truck, you know? Ooh. Good girl. I need to get some gas, and then I think I'm gonna take Stella to the dog park. You ready, girl? You ready to get on the road? All right, let's go. Cold. So cold. Let's go ahead and let's go. All right, guys, we're going to this park that's near a lake. Seems pretty cool, and the place is called Lake Wissota State Park. Stella, you ready? You ready, Stella? Every time I say, you ready, Stella? She flinches real fast. She gets so excited. See, guys, this is what I'm talking about with my brakes. My ABS light just came on, and I'm not sure why. Come on. Seems pretty cool. This is like a beach area. By the way, the city we're in is pretty small. There's not gonna be a lot of people here, and also it's not even in season right now. If only I had a fishing pole, I'd probably do some fishing, but there you go, good girl. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna go to Planet Fitness and take a shower and stuff, because I need one, so. All right, guys, I just got done taking a shower at the gym. Me and Stella, I think we're gonna head to Minneapolis today. Hey, Stella, girl, you ready to get on the road? I recently just had to do my taxes. Bro, no one told me to be prepared for tax season. This is my first year that I'm having to pay taxes. I'd never had to pay taxes in my life, but it's also a blessing, you know? But that's the journey, right? That's what it's like when you're self-employed. But anyways, guys, we have about an hour and a half to Minneapolis, so I'll probably time lapse it for you guys, and yeah, see you guys there. So I was driving, we've been on the road for probably like 30 or 45 minutes, but I saw this super cool waterfall that I kind of want to go check out. It seems pretty cool. This is gonna be exciting. Let's go, Stella. Good girl. Come on, this way. Let's go. I'm so glad Stella's like an extroverted dog, because I swear she gets so excited to do anything. So it makes it so much more fun to just go out and go for hikes and go see places like this with this beautiful waterfall. All right, Stella, let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness, she's excited. She's pulling me around. Wow, that's pretty cool. Look at that. What is it? What is it, Stella? Look. Look, girl. Look, girl. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Let's get your picture. No. Oh my goodness, Stella. Why did you jump? Oh, you look so cute, Stella. You look so cute, girl. Oh, she loves the waterfall. Wow. Stella, how was it? Did you like the waterfall? But we're headed back to the truck, and then we're gonna get back on the road. This place was great. I loved it. Oh, I'm tired after walking up that massive hill, but we made it back to the truck. So I think since it's a sunny day, I might plug in my my battery and have that going. It's a mess in here, but let's get this solar plugged in. I really need to figure out something with this. For now, this will have to do. And it looks like right now, we're getting about 70 watts. Oh, that's not bad. I mean, it's fluctuating because there's clouds and stuff, but shoot, we got solar. I'm telling you, this solar panel was a great upgrade. I'm so glad I got it, because I've been on the road for about a week and a half now, and I have not had to go to a library or anywhere to get this charged. Perfect. All right, let's get out of here. Perfect. Oh, it's hot. It got hot super quick. Oh, shoot. All right, hey guys, we made it to Minneapolis, and right now I'm just catching up on some editing because I have to post a video today, which if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, I try to post every single day. This video I'm doing is a day in the life of Stella. So I'm going to do a little voiceover for her, and it's going to be super funny. So, but by the time you're watching this, I already posted it. So if you want to see the results, go there and check it out. Yeah, I got to get this up in about an hour. So I'm going to be chilling here, finishing this. And then I think tonight we're going to cook up some food because it's already kind of late. It's like 5 o'clock right now. Anyways, I'm going to finish up this video and then I will pick you guys back up when I'm done. And we're going to cook up some delicious food and it's going to be a great night. So let's do it. We got to 77% today. Just from solar. That's crazy. I don't know. I don't remember on the top of my head what it was at. I think it was at like 44 or something, or 50. Good girl. We're going to go to a grocery store, get some ingredients. You know, one thing about Wisconsin I'm going to miss is the Woodman's Grocery Market. That thing was crazy. And I think they're only in Wisconsin and northern Illinois. That's the one grocery store I'm going to miss. That place had everything. All right, cheese, ground beef, cheese, lettuce, tomato. Yes, sir.
You're the guy from Instagram, right?
Yeah,
With the
yeah.
truck, the
I am, yeah.
Oh yeah, I saw your truck outside.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. Yeah, bro, I'm filming right now. You want to say what's up to the video?
What's up, y'all? Seeing this truck in the parking lot.
That's awesome, bro. It's nice to meet you, man. Have a great day. I just got here. You are following me, yeah.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, there you go.
Bro.
I appreciate that, bro. I just need to find a spot that I'm going to camp at for tonight, and then we'll start cooking up. So,
Hi.
hello.
Are you on TikTok?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. That's so funny. I'm filming a video right now, if that's okay.
Cool. Hi. Yeah, we were just about to go down to our house and for a little bonfire if you want to join us.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, I'll come for sure. I just got like burgers and stuff too. So, I mean, if I can throw them on your grill, sure. Do it for the video, I guess.
Yes.
All right, cool, yeah.
Just follow us down
Yeah,
there, or
I
you
can.
know, Rand?
Well, change of plans. Looks like me and Stella are going to a bonfire. I guess we're going to a bonfire tonight. That's gonna be fun. Stella, you ready to go to a bonfire? They said they live like 5 minutes. We're gonna go check it out. Here's the burgers and stuff. I don't know if you guys want to use them or. So I never caught your guys' names. What's your?
Sorry. Rose.
Rose, nice to meet you.
My name is John.
Nice to meet you.
Sarah.
Sarah, nice to meet you.
And Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, nice to meet you.
Joshua.
Joshua, nice to meet you. I'm Seth and that's Stella.
Okay. Seth and Stella.
Yes, video just got cooler. Let's go. Let's go.
Got a famous YouTuber.
I'm not that cool, but. All right, guys, we got a hot dog. Stella, look. We're gonna.
Yeah, that works too.
It's good.
I kind of found a
don't know.
nice spot where there's like coals all the way around.
Here, hold my stick real quick. Thank you.
We're gonna keep you here in Minnesota nice. I don't know about Minnesota.
You need a Mr. Buddy.
I'm not sure how much I filmed of the bonfire that I went to last night, but I met this awesome family. There's like 10 of them. One of the people I met, his name is Nate, and he works on cars. He's a mechanic. So after a little bit of talking last night, he offered to fix my brakes and look over my truck before I go up to Alaska, which is a blessing. My prayers have been answered, but we got to pack up and start heading to his house. So let's do it. All right, Stella, you ready? You ready, girl? Oh. guys, I'm going to Nate's house right now. He's about 15 minutes away, so I told him I would be there in like 20 minutes. So we got to get going. We're pulling up to Big Dog Nate's house right now. What up? Good morning, bro. What you snacking on?
Oh, just a quesadilla. Cheap and easy.
Oh, that's nice, dude.
If any of my tow trucks go down or I got to go fix anything, this is what I take to go.
Wow.
You know, deal with stuff. So I got.
You got a full toolbox in
I
here.
got power for charging all my batteries, Milwaukee tools. I got all my tools. I got air and everything.
That's so cool.
It's a whole shop in a truck basically.
You got some lights rigged up too?
So when I have this up, it actually blocks the light bar and these visor lights. So I just toss something in the back here just for,
Oh,
so
wow.
I have something.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
So I'm
Dang.
not totally blind back here with the door open.
All right, guys, we're checking out the engine.
Okay, so in cylinder 4 here, we have these up and down lines, which on the screen would be more left and right. That's scoring, and that's not supposed to be inside your cylinder. That's not good. So the crosshatch pattern, that's fine. That's just like honing the cylinder. It's supposed to, that little cross-hatching actually, as your piston goes up, it gives the oil a place to kind of like, so the piston and the rings can go up and down on that oil sleeve without actually scoring the walls.
Yeah.
And doing those up and down lines. So now if that's cylinder 4, if we go to cylinder 5 next to it, you can see that we don't really have that scoring.
Dang. Yeah, that's definitely a lot more noticeable.
It's not like excessive, but that's something that is not ideal. To me, as far like the one side that I can see of that, it doesn't look excessive enough to, looks like you got a little ridge of carbon up top, but it doesn't look excessive enough to cause too much of an issue.
Could that cause the rough idle?
It definitely could. It definitely could. But
Dang. Nah, I need a whole new engine now.
Oh no.
no, you don't need a whole new engine.
All right, guys, I didn't film the rest of it, but I got some very exciting news about my truck. After a few upgrades, we changed out the fuel injectors, we fixed the spark plugs and wires. I think now my truck is fixed. I don't think it's misfiring anymore. The check engine light did go off, and then later today we're gonna fix the brakes. So that's the plan, but I think my truck is fixed now. So it should be good for on the road. Shout out to Big Nate Dog for helping me out. I appreciate you so much, bro. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys back on the road next week. And don't forget to stay saucy. Peace.